Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to pull previous week values, specifically last week's total sales, right into your Power BI reports. If you've ever found yourself struggling to analyze week-over-week performance or present clear trends to your team, this quick guide is going to be a game changer for you. By the end, you'll know how to create dynamic measures that automatically fetch last week's numbers, allowing you to compare and visualize data in a truly meaningful way. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Power BI project. It doesn't matter if you're starting from scratch or working in an existing file. The heart of this method is creating a measure, which is basically a formula that Power BI can use to crunch numbers for you based on your data context. If you want to analyze total sales, you'll want to have a base measure that sums up your sales numbers overall. If you've never made a measure before, no worries at all. Just find your data table, maybe it's called something like New York or another name you've set, then right-click on it in the Fields pane, select New Measure. A formula bar will appear, kind of like in Excel. Now here's an important tip. Measures in Power BI aren't just static calculations. They adapt depending on what you're looking at: filters, slices, and time periods. So basically, you'll want to first create a measure for your current total sales. You can do that with a formula like total sales M equals sum New York sales, if sales is your relevant column. But since our end goal is to find last week's sales totals, we need a second measure. Right-click once again on your table and select New Measure. This measure is going to look very similar, but we'll use a time intelligence function to shift the calculation back to the previous week or month. Let's take a formula as an example. A common one you might find online looks like this. Sales last month equals calculate total sales M, date at New York date, minus 1 month. The calculate function here tells Power BI to crunch your total sales, but only for dates that are 1 month before the current context. In this case, New York is the name of our table, and date is the column with your transaction or order dates. If your table or column is named differently, just update them in the formula. Now take your time copying and pasting or typing this formula in. Does your table use weeks rather than months? You can actually adjust the formula. Change month to week and Power BI will grab data from 1 week back instead. This flexibility is powerful and you can adapt it to fit your dataset structure. Once you've saved your new measure, let's put it to use. Click to add a new table visual onto your Power BI canvas, and then drag both your current total sales and your new sales last month measures onto it. This allows you to instantly see current and previous week-month sales side by side for any category, region, or time period you want to analyze. It's a fantastic way to spot trends, sudden changes, or opportunities for action, and that's really it. Just a few steps, but suddenly you have dynamic, meaningful week-over-week or month-over-month comparisons with all the flexibility and visualization tools that Power BI offers. If this walkthrough helped clarify the process for you, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out. If you hit any snags or have questions about customizing measures for your dataset, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more clear, practical Power BI tutorials coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.